Nonprofits, do you have trouble finding major donors? Do you find it challenging to build a pipeline of donors? As a fundraiser, you want to always be growing your potential major donor list and finding major donors. Whether you are a new or small organization or one around a while, you need donors who can make large gifts to your organization. In fact, you are not making the best use of your time and not reaching your full fundraising potential if you are not asking for major gifts. Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. I provide overwhelmed leaders of nonprofits with a roadmap to raise more money through major gifts. Let me pause. Before I continue, make sure to sign up here to catch these and other weekly fundraising tips and strategies. Listen to this. Bloomerang continues to report that 88% of total dollars raised comes from 12% of donors. Even so, AFP's Fundraising Effectiveness Report states that 76% of gifts come from only 3% of our donors. A little shocking, right? So knowing this, where do you think you should spend your time? With a decrease in events, consider using your time right now to build a major gifts fundraising system and pipeline of major donor potentials. It's easy. All it takes is being intentional. You can find major donors with 5 simple steps. Let me show you. Number 1, know the 3-point criteria for identifying ideal major donors. First, a donor must be passionate about your cause. They must have given some indication they believe in your mission and how you're addressing the problem or need. For example, maybe a person shares in a casual conversation their daughter is an artist and they love to collect works of art from local artists. If you're an arts organization, put this person through the 3-point test. They have a love and appreciation for the arts. You don't have to know potential major donors well or know them at all. How to draw them in and engage them is for us to discuss at a later time. Second, a donor must have the means to give. You must recognize there are donors out there with the capacity to make a significant contribution. Third, a potential donor must be philanthropic. Just because someone is wealthy or can make a major gift does not mean they are philanthropic. Absolutely, look for philanthropic behavior in people. Number 2 in finding your major donors is create a potential major donor list. Considering the 3-point criteria, you want to create a list of potential major funders so you know where to focus your time and efforts. For example, start by looking at your database. I can tell you almost every fundraiser is overlooking a potential major donor right under their nose in their database. In looking at your database, consider who is passionate about your cause, has the means to give, and is philanthropic, but has not given at capacity. Next, look for frequency of giving. Review a list of those who have given consistently over 3 to 5 years. They may have missed a year, and that's okay. Their frequency of giving signals they believe in your mission. Put them through the 3-point test and consider adding them to your list, even if they have not made a major gift before. Also, look to your board for major donors. Many board members are major donor candidates and are not giving at capacity. Treat them like you do any potential major donor. They want to be courted, considered, and ask for their support. That's how you start creating your list of potential major donors. Now, let's look at number 3 in finding your major donors, and that is look at other nonprofit donor recognition lists. Yes, look at who is giving to other nonprofits. Certainly be researching who is giving to organizations with a mission similar to yours. You are missing out if you are not scanning other major donor lists. Number 4, look to social media. Consider who is engaging on your social media pages, with friends posts, or with activities that align with your mission. What topics are people sharing, liking, and commenting on that indicate their values and beliefs? Are they aligned with your mission? Number 5 and last, share your newly created potential major donor list with your board members. Also share the 3-point criteria so board members understand the criteria in identifying major donors. You want to seek board members' input in who else should be on the list. Later, you will identify ways to engage people from your list. In summary, consider your opportunity cost. If you are focusing on low revenue generating activities, you are giving up high dollars somewhere else. You want to focus on major gifts. Have a list of potential funders and work the list. Take these 5 steps to finding major donors and create a list of potential funders. How easy is that? You can do this. You can find major donors to help you meet your budget shortfall and advance your mission. By the way, if you have not downloaded my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, please do. It is a great resource. To do so, simply click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. And 3, download your free fundraising plan. Check it out. Now, if you found this valuable, please like it, share it, comment on it, and tell others about it. Thanks. See you next time.